In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned blue. That means that location is enabled. To disable it, click on the same shortcut and confirm your choice by hitting close in the pop-up. You can also go into settings, scroll down to click on location section here, and operate this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!